For years, DJI has set the gold standard in consumer and professional drones, delivering groundbreaking technology in compact designs. But every few years, the company unveils a model that doesn't just refine the flying experience, but completely redefines what we expect from small drones. And in 2025, that title goes to the DJI Mini 5 Pro. Yes. After months of speculation, teaser drops, and endless leaks, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is finally making its grand debut on September 17, 2025. This tiny yet powerful drone has been called the Pro in Mini, and for good reason. It packs features that were once exclusive to DJI's higher-end series like the Air and Mavic, but now squeezed into an aircraft weighing under 250 grams. For drone enthusiasts, content creators, photographers, and even casual flyers, the Mini 5 Pro might just be the most versatile mini drone ever released. In this long breakdown, we'll cover everything: pricing details, specs, design, features, battery life, camera improvements, smart modes, and why this drone could dominate the skies in 2025. Whether you're a beginner wanting your first drone or a seasoned pilot considering an upgrade, this video is going to give you everything you need to know about the DJI Mini 5 Pro, DJI Mini 5 Pro pricing, and combos. Before diving into design and features, let's talk money. DJI's drones have always been considered premium products, but their mini line often strikes a balance between affordability and professional-level performance. From leaked European web shops, we now know the Mini 5 Pro's pricing. Standard Mini 5 Pro, around $819, which translates roughly to $859 in the US. Fly More Combo with RCN3 controller, about $1,029. $189. Fly More Combo with RC2 Pro controller, about $159. $1,229. Yes, that's slightly higher than the Mini 4 Pro, but given the number of upgrades we're about to discuss, the price increase feels justified, especially since DJI continues to provide pro-level features at a fraction of the cost of bigger models like the Mavic 3 Pro. Unboxing and first impressions. Thanks to leaked videos online, we've already had a sneak peek at the Mini 5 Pro's unboxing experience. The packaging is classic DJI, clean, minimal, and premium feeling. Inside, you'll find the drone itself, the controller, depending on the combo you choose, spare propellers, a charging hub, cables, and batteries. Side-by-side comparisons with the Mini 4 Pro show that the new model is slightly larger. This increase in size makes sense since DJI had to accommodate a much larger 1-inch camera sensor, along with new flight sensors and design reinforcements. And yes, the C0 certification sticker confirms this drone weighs under 250 grams, meaning in many regions, including the US, you won't need FAA registration for recreational use. That's a huge plus for casual flyers who don't want the hassle of paperwork. DJI Mini 5 Pro design and build. DJI had one challenge: keep the drone small enough to be classified as mini while cramming in more pro-level features. They've managed to achieve this with an elegant redesign. Weight, still under 250 grams. Build, lightweight but reinforced body with improved wind resistance. Gimbal, redesigned to house the 1-inch sensor, offering smoother stabilization and expanded rotation. Aerodynamics, slightly larger arms and refined propellers for quieter flights and more stability. In practice, the design balances portability with functionality. This is still a drone you can slip into a small bag or even a large jacket pocket, but once it's in the air, it feels like a serious aerial photography tool. DJI Mini 5 Pro camera upgrades. Here's where things get exciting. The camera is without a doubt the star of the show. The 1-inch CMOS sensor. This is massive for a drone of this size. Larger sensors mean better light capture, richer details, and superior dynamic range. 4K at 120 FPS. Perfect for buttery smooth slow-motion videos. f1.8 aperture. Great for low-light shooting, making sunset, sunrise, and night shots more stunning. HDR video. Up to 14 stops of dynamic range in auto mode, plus 10-bit D-Log for professionals who want color grading flexibility. True vertical shooting. Thanks to a gimbal that rotates up to 225 degrees, you can shoot true vertical videos optimized for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. For content creators, this drone bridges the gap between professional aerial rigs and social media-ready tools. You no longer have to compromise between cinematic quality and vertical video for your audience. Flight performance and battery life was one of the most talked about rumors. And now we have confirmation. Standard battery, up to 36 minutes of flight time. Plus battery, a jaw-dropping 52 minutes, making this one of the longest-lasting drones in the Mini series. In real-world terms, this means you can take longer cinematic shots, travel further distances, and spend less time swapping batteries. Combine that with improved wind resistance and quieter propellers, and you have a drone that feels reliable and robust. Smart features and intelligent flight modes. DJI continues to lead the industry when it comes to smart features, and the Mini 5 Pro is no exception. Master shots, automated cinematic sequences with minimal input, quick shots, pre-programmed moves like rocket, droney, circle, and helix panorama modes, wide, 180-degree, and sphere shots for breathtaking landscapes. Active track 360-degree, improved object tracking that can follow subjects even through tricky environments. Waypoint missions, pre-planned flight paths for repeatable and complex shots. Smart Photo 5.0, AI-driven photography mode that automatically adjusts settings for the perfect shot. Additionally, DJI added off-state quick transfer, letting you transfer files at up to 100 MBs via Wi-Fi 6, even while the drone is powered off. For content creators, this means faster editing workflows and less downtime. Safety features. The Mini 5 Pro isn't just powerful, it's safer too. Obstacle avoidance sensors, expanded coverage to detect hazards in multiple directions. LiDAR integration helps with precision landings and better obstacle detection. Return to home RTH, enhanced accuracy thanks to GPS plus vision positioning. AirSense ADS-B alerts pilots to nearby aircraft for safer flying. DJI wants to ensure that even beginners feel confident taking this drone to the skies, while professionals can push the limits without worrying about collisions. Why DJI Mini 5 Pro stands out. Let's zoom out for a second. Why is the DJI Mini 5 Pro creating so much hype? It delivers professional-level aerial cinematography in a body that fits in your pocket. It has one of the largest camera sensors ever fitted into a sub-250G drone. The flight time is industry-leading, especially with the Plus battery. The price-to-performance ratio makes it one of the best investments for both beginners and professionals. It's a future-proof device with Wi-Fi 6, HDR, 10-bit video, and AI-driven smart features. For travel vloggers, real estate professionals, landscape photographers, or simply hobbyists who want the best tool without the hassle of registration, the Mini 5 Pro might just be the ultimate drone of 2025. Final thoughts. The DJI Mini 5 Pro isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution in compact drone technology. DJI has managed to blur the line between mini drones and professional rigs, creating a device that satisfies both markets. If you're in the market for a new drone, mark September 17th, 2025 on your calendar. Whether you're a seasoned aerial cinematographer or someone just starting out, this drone has the potential to become your perfect flying companion. So what do you think? Are you planning to upgrade to the Mini 5 Pro, or do you think the Mini 4 Pro still holds up? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech news, drone reviews, and in-depth breakdowns right here.